Hi all, welcome to Data Addock YouTube channel. And for today's stream number 78, I'm planning to start with Notebook LM. Uh, Yesterday I have tried demo on hands-on this Notebook LM, but some uh, keyword which I used, it got in session got ended. I tried using Microsoft Build 2025 conference details, and it was all the session was interesting, but it only captured half of the uh, session which I tried completely. But for today's, let's try to check for other thing. So yesterday, since I have tried Microsoft Build 2025 conference detail, today I will go with Apple conference 2025, which they have planned for June 9 to 30th of this month they have. Before actually begin with our hands-on, let's try to check what they demo have provided for Notebook LM.
NotebookLM. This is where you can start exploring the power of generative. Welcome to NotebookLM. This is where you can start exploring the power of generative AI. The first thing you need to do is start a new notebook. Select the Create button here to get started. Once you do that, you'll be prompted to add some source documentation. NotebookLM supports PDFs, text files, Markdown, or audio files like MP3. You can also
Okay, so it seems that they have only they kept user interface very simple. We just need to upload documents with different formats. So at start there is no uh, like coding type or different AI assistants features is there, but it is just it solely based on the document which you provide, and uh, how this notebook LM will handle those or give a summary or extract details from it.
Once you do that, you'll be prompted to add some source documentation. NotebookLM supports PDFs, text files, Markdown, or audio files like MP3. You can also add documents from Google Drive, you can add links from websites or YouTube, and even paste in text. Let's try this.
So it's all about reference doc. So it seems it only like instead of its starting point is what you provide as an input, and based on that it also may go further one step and check for related information on uh, internet or search related details, and only discussion is revolved around what you provide and nothing outside of it.
This out and upload these documents. McKinsey's report on the economic potential of generative AI, and Google Cloud's white paper on building an effective AI strategy. Okay, and once those documents are uploaded, this text box at the bottom is where you'll enter your prompts. Think of it similarly to Gemini, as having a conversation with a super smart assistant. But think of NotebookLM as a research assistant that relies only on the documents you provided for context. There you go. NotebookLM will create a concise summary, drawing directly from the uploaded documentation, and provides citations for easy reference. You can ask NotebookLM questions about the source material, give it creative tasks, or have it summarize highly complex information. You'll also
If there is an reference doc which you provided, that text or details are missing format, then you can get detailed formatted text with head topics, subtopics with reference from this notebook LM.
So notice in the right panel, Studio panel, you'll see two sections, an audio overview and a notes section. The audio overview section will actually generate a podcast from two hosts based on the source documentation. In the notes section, we'll auto-generate a note or a study guide, a briefing doc, an FAQ, or even a timeline. So now it's your turn to explore and see what things you can unlock with NotebookLM.
So it seems this notebook LM is very like minimalistic, and it sent like instead of other exhausted features, it works simply similar like Claude, and you get more detail from notebook. Uh, like you get more detail from notebook with addition of ecosystem of Google's platforms. So let's try to check. So I will create new session. First of all, in settings, you can you will get notebook LM help page. So you can ask describe your issue, and related facts available are there, help topics are there. Then you can send feedback, you can join the Discord part, output language. Okay, there are multiple languages are there, which I think mostly which Google use similar. Even Marathi, like native language of India's also there, Konkani, Nepali, Hindi, Gujarati, all these languages are there. So even for like even person is not technical part, technical background, they can also try to check details for their reference document uh, with uh, in his or her own language. So it's good features they have added. Then more upgrade to Pro. What's in store for Pro? So Pro feature is you can start trial for 1 month free, but after that you need to spend 1950, which is almost standard AI assistant cost for any AI tools in market. So with Pro version, you will get more updated features. There is no, I think there is no extra features, but you can use more features from Notebook LM. So 5 times more audio overviews. You can customize style and tone of notebook. Collaborate and share notebooks with others. You can use Gemini app. There is a you can use Google ecosystem, 2 TB total storage storage, then premium benefits. So Google Meet features, more and unlimited. So but at the beginner level, you can use like free version of Notebook LM. So you can check your most recent word, or you can check for title. There is this grid system and available. Create new. So yesterday I have checked like Apple. Okay, so I will just give website. Okay, so this is a website I have. Only the visible text on the website will be imported at this moment. Paid articles are not supported. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, automatically title is getting captured, like Apple Worldwide Developer Conference kickoff June 9. Same details were captured for this. They also have added emoji of computer, which is I found very creative. but for this is the kind of summary part, very short summary we can see from this uh, all this page. Actually, if we compare yesterday's one. Yesterday's this article, it was big, huge, but for this article is like very small. But I have planned to, like, we can have more details, but let's see how it goes. This shows another WWDC free online event occurring 9 to 13 June. So you can also watch this. The on-current film feature keynote and presentation showcase updates to Apple formats and Apple platforms and platform state of the union, deeper technical review, Apple expert through lab. Key points were in bold. So instead of reading all this summary part, you can only go through key text as well, and you can save to notes. So this is notes is saved there. Mm. Since this is only some part of it, and I also like to take what social media or people or critics are or reviewer are trying to expect from this. So I have this website macrumors.com, which is going further in deep and trying to understand what they have in store. So I will use this link, and I will add another source here. You can use other link as well or copy text. So since it is already in formatted part, I will try to use link only. Okay, now we have two sources. One is from official and other from reviewer critics. Now I have clicked on that. So all this source, they have arranged as per what are details present in there. So it is you can select one at a time or multiple at a time, or you can discover as well. Discover something you learn about. Click I'm feeling good. What are features are main products we are going to, what are main. So instead of reading all these articles both, I'm just curious what's in stores. So let's check. Select all stores. So instead of only focusing this, they I think it tried to uh, search on internet and giving more kind of like in general updates, anticipate product launches, but not related to Apple only. So you can from this, if you like in uh, article, then you can directly import it within this sources format. So it's there is no Apple related part. I will just skip this time. Okay, now all sources are selected. I want to know add note, new features new products and features, focus on. Okay. You can customize this part, convert to. Okay, so this yes, this is note is like you want to take notes of from this article which is output generated here, so you can focus on that note as well. So I will add this only here, convert to source. Now we have three sources, so it will also, I hope it will also check uh, this related information. So now we have three sources, and let's try to check mind map first. So here it is getting generated. So let's check how it goes. So it is very interactive part, so you can check the branches of like Apple WWDC 2025. Then you can just drag this branch, event details. You can see the date, format, online conference, in person attendance, global developer community, address, content. What is the address? Then you can see that if you click on particular part, then related information will see. Like here I have clicked on website. So based on provided source, it website is presented as one location where developers can access content from the conference. This type of information there is present. And if you save this part, and if there is a new additional updates, then I think you can if once you click on refresh, it will give latest update from that particular event or document. Then for expected software announcement, newest version naming, so all details you can see with interactive part, and it is available within that particular session. So you can get details again when you start this session again. So it's done. Now where was that mind map? Okay, so not done, add not done, mind map done, audio overview. Let's try to check. Generating conversation based on three sources. This may take few minutes, no need to stick around. So meanwhile it getting generated, you can work on other thing as well. And also audio overview is now in more languages, so these are languages. This is help section link is there. So Supported languages. So by default, it go use your Google account setting language. And similar part which we have already seen. Okay. So meanwhile it's getting generated, let's try to check. You can add more notes here from here, which is similar feature which we have here. Study guide, let's check what is study guide is mean. Generating study guide. So if you want to, you can, I just collapse this sidebar. So saved response are view only. So you can, for study guide, it is kind of like question answer format. Here are quiz are there, and if you want to check if you are learning or what you understand is correct, to check for that, there are answer keys also there. Then essay type questions, then glossary of key terms are there. Apple developer enterprise program, a program for organization to develop and deploy proprietary in-house app for their employees. So this kind of terms or definitions are also mentioned. So after converting this, you can convert this to source as well. Not everything you need to convert it into source. Whatever information you want for more, like want to go for more details, then I think that needs to be converted to source. Here we have now generated audio overview. Let's see.
Okay, let's unpack this. Get ready, because the annual countdown has begun. We're talking Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference, WWDC.
Yep.
It's that time of year we get well, the definitive look at the future of software across the whole Apple universe.
Absolutely. It really is the moment, developers. And honestly, anyone invested in the Apple ecosystem, they circle it on their calendars. Sort of sets the tone for the next year.
To that surprising bit in just a minute. First,
Yeah.
so beyond that big opening day buzz, what
So they have more this audio review is in format of podcast, and it has more, it seems more natural conversation we can hear now. And with this, if you are traveling somewhere or don't have direct access to laptop, or don't want to go through read all these sources at a time, you can hear those as a podcast format. And idea is very good, and you can share this audio overview and provide feedback as well. Also you can change playback speed, you can download, and if you are not okay with format, then you can delete as well. If you are not okay with output, you can delete as well, and you can generate another one with like few sources selection, or uh, like all sources at a time. But what is interesting here, that interactive mode which is currently in beta status, let's try to check that as well. So there are two hosts at a time for all the like audio overview part. There are two hosts, so it will it will go through same audio overview format. But what is interesting here is that you can interact as a live person here.
Okay, let's unpack this. Get ready, because the annual countdown
Same format, you can see same script is there.
has begun. We're talking Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference, WWDC.
Oh, hey, our listener wants to join in. What's up?
Hey, hi, I would like to know what are new features or new uh, products will launch during this meeting.
Hey there. Great to have you chiming in.
We're just getting started, so perfect timing.
You're asking about what new features we expect, right?
Well, the sources we've been looking at hint at some pretty interesting things.
Yeah,
So,
there's a
so from this, it don't follow the script which is already present. You can, it kind of like what you have in details, and it once you ask question, it gives like it is similar for other AI assistant. You ask question and they provide simultaneous information. So it is just kind of different format we have. So you ask question about what they already have in store, and it just give all details. So I will try to ask like out of syllabus question here, like since it is related to Apple, and I will ask a question about Google, which I don't think so present in any source. So let's try to check how it reacts to that.
potential big shift in the overall design.
Inspired, it seems, by the Apple Vision Pro interface. Yep, go on.
Uh, like this Apple Worldwide Developer Conference, is there any link related to Google? How it going to compare with Google in all for overall?
That's a really interesting question.
It's natural to draw comparisons between major tech players.
While we're diving deep into Apple's WWDC right now,
Apple and Google definitely have different approaches to their developer conferences.
from what we've seen, WWDC is very focused on their specific ecosystem.
Right, it's all about the integration across Apple's devices and software.
The announcements tend to be very tailored to developers building for those platforms.
Google's I/O conference, on the other hand, often has a broader scope.
Yeah, they tend to cover a wider range of technologies and initiatives.
So you can see that it initially don't give more details about Google and try to like stick to only Apple's related information. However, if you try to give ask more question about Google, you can divert all their attention to Google as well, or Microsoft, just in case. So overall, it's good conversation or good feature they have. Let's try it. We have seen study guide. Let's check about brief doc. Briefing doc. It's kind of like if you have more like multi huge document, and if you want briefing documents or someone to give detailed part, then or if you want to brief this particular sources to someone, then this is the info briefing document format. uh, Output is generated like date prepared for. Here you can add your name, you can't update here, but you can copy that and like provide to anyone. Subject is there, executive summary is there, then key themes and most important idea fact they have mentioned, then expected software feature. So conclusion. So it is different for from uh, when we add start and this like summary generated, it is more kind of like in detail mentioning each and every part with correct format. You can convert it to source as well. So each and every part you can convert it to source, and it can act as a detailed part. So let's see. Fact. When Apple's worldwide patch taking place, what is the format? Fact, it seems that those kind of question, obvious question which we have in usually for every website or books or online related documents, there are facts are mentioned. So those facts are corrected here, usual questions. announced or updated at WCT. Which Apple operating system are expected to? These are common questions they have mentioned here. Now let's go to timeline, and I think it is last one features we are going to see. Timeline generated. So new if features or document generate, it's not generated at top, but one like below the top it's getting generated. So let's see. No, it is not. Okay, sorry. It's this article, this generate output is at the top. So it seems it generated below, but at the top position is there. So timeline and participants, you can update this heading. Timeline of events, date wise presentation is there, mainly focusing on time for timestamp, date stamp, cast of characters, apples, then apple press contact, uh, Vinita, Rajesh Mangal, Shiraj, Lucien. So all the peoples who can you contact or who will be presenting those conference will be there, developers will be there, students will be there. So all kind of like key persons or which are key persons which are required during this time, they are mentioned here. You can share this as a copy link, or like people with you can share this with Google account as well. So it's not a there are also already generated questions are there. If you are clueless about what you need to check, there are already suggested questions are there, like what are the primary software announcement uh, and updates expected at WWDC 2025. You can select, there are multiple questions are there. Also they have this for any part, uh, it's wait, not for this, but I think for all the part, all for every output, you can see that they have added this sources reference point. So if you hover the cursor over there, then you will get more detail from this. And it's not like link, you can there are links also there, but it's kind of like another short summary part of there, details are mentioned there. So for one, WWDC provides same, so you can expand or collapse this details. You can refresh this thing, you can copy. So also they have mentioned this note, NotebookLM can be inaccurate, please double check its response. But overall it seems response is accurate and quite to other two sources. You can discover more, you what matlab, you what you want to add more details or want to what you want to extract exactly. So you can ask those questions. I don't have any question, but I'm feeling curious, so let's check. So if you are okay, so again those are related articles or sources it's showed. And if you are not don't or new to this particular topic, and this you can take more details from this discover sources as well. you can import this as a new sources here. Audio overviews are lively deep dive discussion that summarize the key topics in your sources. This is an experimental features, and below are some notes to help you get started. So you can go through the details as well. So I think that's it today. With all the features I tried to like collate. You can change the name, and it's not only for that particular part. You can also revisit that any previous session, and you can resume what you want to know further. Okay. In sources guide, there are different key topics are mentioned for each and every one. Yesterday I tried this. Okay. So that's it for today's data ad hoc session, stream number 78. Let's meet next time with another interesting data topic. Thank you.